I'm Susan Young. I'm from Pennsylvania. I have Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease, and I have been using a cane since my surgery and have not been able to walk well at all.
So actually the right leg is hyperextending more. I think, you see, when you walk outside of the bars, you hyperextend more.
Okay, maybe with the not
Right.
being...
Yeah, I'm gonna let you walk like that in a minute, but go ahead. So it looks like, yeah, the right foot collapses more than the left. Yeah. Okay, one more time.
It's funny because when I first had the surgery done, everybody said, oh, but your foot still goes out a little bit. I said, but you don't understand, before the foot wouldn't do anything. My legs feel great. Surgery was wonderful from where I was at before, but now I have Helios braces and I can actually walk without my cane. I'm looking forward to the future and being able to get out and get around and not have to use a wheelchair to do that. Wonderful, I can maintain my balance. I feel nice and straight. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall. It's wonderful.
Okay, so your heel toe looks excellent.
Let's see how I do without the cane.
Okay.
I got the wall I can hang on to.
All right.
If I have to.
Okay, and you just got fit with the Helios this morning, correct?
That's correct. Just done this morning, and I just can't believe the difference of being able to stand up, not fall over, and be able to ambulate.
And all of these, maybe you had them on maybe what, about 1 hour?
1 hour or less.
And already you walk without the cane.
Yes, I have. I walked without the cane.
And how does your balance feel?
Balance feels good. I know I'll need some more practice since it's only been less than an hour, but it is a difference between night and day.
All right, great, Susan. We wish you continued success.
Thank you, Mitch.
You're very welcome.